Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to set password on PDF file, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to set password on PDF file. You need to go to this website ilovepdf.com and I will leave the link in the description below. It's free to use and you don't need to sign up. After that, select PDF file and then select the PDF you want to set password. Okay, this one, double click and then here set a password to protect your PDF file. Now type the password. Okay, for example, here 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. And repeat password 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, after that click protect PDF. Okay, the PDF here, it's downloaded. And now if I click open, this document is password protected. Please enter a password. And now for example, if I type wrong password and here submit, you see you cannot open it. And now if I type the correct password 1 2 3 4 5, after that click submit. Yeah, now I can open it and you can see the PDF. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to set password on PDF file. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.